Aloha Ecamm family. Yes, the time is here. A long-awaited upgrade feature has finally made it out as Ecamm Live 4.0 has just hit the streets. This has been the #1 most requested. Everybody wanted it. It's been a long time coming, and yes, today is the day. Yes, it is finally here. We have multi-streaming. If you're brand new to streaming and you don't know what it is, basically in a nutshell, multi-streaming says I can do one live stream and send it to multiple destinations at one time. Now, the only thing that's going to matter is the how many is how much connections you got and how much destinations you got. Anyway, I'll show you what I mean. Let's dive right in. If I come over here and press on the new button to launch a brand new stream, I get this says choose my new broadcast destination. Well, actually it says create new broadcast. So I'm going to go add and I'll select my YouTube channel. From here, I would normally just put in my title and my description, select how I want it to go, and we're basically set. But you'll see down here in the bottom, there's a new area. It says required speed. It tells me that the required speed for this particular setup is 15.2 megabits per second. Now, if I were to go here to add an additional location, like say drop it into the Ecamm Live community, I now get a red X that says reduce the stream setting or remove a destination, because this new setup is going to require 30.5 megabits per second. Super easy to do. I just press on stream settings. I'm going to bring up my preferences window and I'm going to drop my screen quality down to say 1080. If I drop my stream quality down to 1080, you'll see that the new updated speed requires 11.8 megabits per second. Super simple. All I need to do is move this out of the way and let's go add some more destinations. I'm going to come in real quick and add Ecamm Live Beta, and then I'll also add Amazon Live. And oh, I got the mark again. It's telling me that I need to reduce this baby again. So I press on stream settings. Let's drop it down to 720. Truth be told, Amazon Live only accepts 720, as I mentioned in another video, which we'll put on screen right here. At the 720, I am able to add these 4, but you know what? Let's take it and throw in the old Instagram Live. I still got room to go. See, even with Instagram Live, so these 5 destinations, Amazon, and let's see, we have YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram Live. Let's add one more and we'll add the old LinkedIn. And so now we got LinkedIn and we're good to go. What type of destinations can we go to? Let me go back into preferences real quick. And you'll see here in the middle is where you can add destinations. So if I press add destinations, you'll see I have Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, Amazon, Instagram, and RTMP. You can also go to some of the other distribution destinations like Restream, Switchboard Live, and OneStream. There it is. Multi-streaming is here. And again, the better your connection, the more places you can go. Also, just adjust your stream size accordingly. If you happen to pick a stream size that is too big for a destination, we will try to automatically adjust that. So for instance, if you're set for 1080 and you attempt to go live on Amazon Live, we will try to negotiate with their server and bring you down to 720 automatically. In most cases that works. Or you just set your custom profiles up so that you know you have the right stream size for the right destination. You want to learn more about profiles or any more of the brand new 4.0 features? Check out a couple of videos we're popping on screen right now. We got a lot more to go. Ecamm Live 4.0, baby. Woo! It's here.